Oh, repeat. Hindi pala naka-video. Oh, repeat.
Sayang lang.
Repeat.
Yun yung nag-iikot na.
Repeat. Oh, repeat. Yung gaya kanina. Yung your heart. Ano pa yun?
My heart. Huwag mo akong turuan. Off mo muna.
Oh, start the meeting.
Wala na, hindi tayo.
Okay.
Expected video.
Oh, okay. Fine. Start.
Hi guys, good evening. Our lesson for today, it's about, guys, it's about love. Love. My heart is dying. Kaya ako na yung dying. Don't, what perfect? What perfect? Sige, tayo na. Because my heart's red. Because my heart is crying. Did you agree? No! Ayos na, sige na. Agree ah.
Yes, agree. I'm agree. Okay, go.
Don't touch me.
Oh, magkano comments?
My headset is 85. Panahon ni Kepeng.
Matagal ba yan?
Oo, matagal.
Matagal na?
Oo, natanggal pa nga pala dito. Nung nalaglag, nagwasak na ganyan, no? May battery pa lang square dito
Ayan
sa
ang
loob.
buhay ng mga
Tapos
OFW
ngayon,
dito.
nilagay ko ulit. Nalaglag
Ano,
ulit. Ito naman yung
Kalokohan, tawanan.
Ayan o, Phoenix ko ulit.
Tapos, mamaya may mapikon.
Hi guys.
Ayan.
I'm talking about the foreigner.
Oy, kami ito, may dala May dala
Ah, sorry.
Hindi tayo
Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry for inconvenience.
Bakit mo sa dito ka?
Oh, let's go. What time now?
Patay ito ng waiting.
May kausap ka ba?
Patay yung iPhone mo. Please show them. Your iPhone.
Bring out your very good iPhone.
Yan naman ako. Baka nuts.
Okay.
Baka may stats daw.
Okay, bring out your phone, your iPhone.
Show them. Show
Your
them.
Apple.
She's speaking English today. Let's go na. Mga iPhone is learning.
Umalis na kayo, baka nagutom pa ako sa inyo.
May time na.
Mamaya pa sila maaga pa.
Mamaya pa kami.
6:30.
Kaya nga la.
What?
Oh, kami.
Okay.
Let's go.
Guys, pangyaw. Bye-bye.
Ay, sorry.
Chelsea! Uy, tayo na mag-Chelsea. Chelsea tayo. Chelsea, Miss Universe.
Ha?
Chelsea, ano ba yun?
Ano daw?
Chelsea nga.
Wala na naman.
Okay.
No,
Go, go, go.
this video, you don't know what is this.
Okay, do it. What is that? And I will follow you.
Show!
Oh my God. Ah, bumasa na ako.
Ayan, dyan siya magkamarapa.
Bigaw ng ilan.
Another position. Oh my God. Ang bigat ng barko. What the heck? Let's go home now. You don't want to go home? Oh, what time? 8:30? 7:30?
Early now.
So early now?
So, Erlinda.
It's me, Erlinda.
You are Erlinda.
Erlinda. Don't tell my whole name. My whole name
I didn't
is
tell your
Lancy.
family.
Yeah! Oh, you know that? My foreigner know me as Lency. But when they send money,
Ganon.
What?
when they send money, why Erlinda? My name is so nice and cute. It's Lency. So. Then after that, okay, babe, get up. Want to go shopping? I don't have money. Get up, I will send it to you. Go to the Western. I go. What is your name? Tell me first, babe. I don't want to tell. Oh, no need. First, no need. Then after that, oh, I need. Okay, come on, babe. Don't be shy. Then after that, okay, then early. Oh, is that your full name? Erlinda. It's an old-fashioned name, sabi. And that is belongs to, I think it's from Spanish. This is Erlinda come from Spanish. Now, you learn na ha. You learn.
Oh, okay. Proceed.
Tapos nahiya tuloy ako. Bigla ako nahiya. Lensi ang layo. What the heck?
May palensi ka pa, Erlinda.
Kasi, you know na, there is
Kasi ate yung nga, Jema pa.
Oo, di ma pala siya. There's a fake and there's a
Really? True.
personal. Tingnan mo nga sa ano ko, Lensi, Arlie. Diba? Pero my nickname there is Linda. And the other one is Dugos. Diba? I have a lot of short name. But syempre, it's like very old, diba?
Yeah.
Very old Erlinda come from the old people. Diba? Maganda naman yun. No, it's not. It's a modern na modern. We are in
Erlinda,
modern.
Casilda, oh, di ba?
It's not. Griselda, it's parang
Like
modern.
Casilda, Casilda ako.
Yeah, it's a modern pa yan. Oo.
Erlinda,
yung mga-
maganda naman oh.
Oo, maganda come from Spanish, Espanyol. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, you're right. I'm just taking video, you know.
Isa kayo ganun.
Let's go na ito magkwento.
Ha?
Para ganyan ito magkwento.
Oh, yun na nga, naka-video na naman ako. Diyos ko, star naman dyan.
Punta na rin sa Facebook ka na naman. Ay, Facebook na naman yan. May ikutan mo rin bilis. Baka hayop na to. Visit ako nito. Nag-take pa ako. Sabi
sarap ng buhay ko dati. Nung 30, no, now 30.
Haya, don't talk too much la. Let's
Ang
go.
buhay dati, ang sarap balikan. Pero hindi na pwedeng balikan ang nakalipas na. Nakalipas na. Diba?
Mistake is mistake.
It's not mistake for me.
It's not mistake.
It's a happiness. Like, na time na binigyan din ako ng happiness that time. To become
Focus your life now.
rich kids. Ah! Rich kids!
Asa na yun? Yung kayo
Yung anak mo, ibang tatay, ibang lahi yun? Yung ibang lahi. Uy, yung isa lang ang
Cut mo na lang,
isa lang naka-virgin sa akin.